Hello students. Now as we have done like fraction, improper fraction, different types of fractions. Now today we will solve some questions regarding the fractions. This is a topic fraction, and under it we will solve some questions today. Now our first question is, write the fraction for the shaded part. Some pictures are being given in front of you. Now you have to count the number of blocks or the number of boxes which have been made, and then you have to write the number of the shaded part in fraction. So as I have told you earlier how to mention it, so I have given you 5. One I will do for you, that is this one. This is a rectangular in triangle shape. So how many, first what you will see, how many blocks are there or how many parts are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 triangles you can see. Again you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 triangles are there, so denominator will be 9. Always see that numerator will be the shaded part, the things which you have been asked. Show the shaded part. How many are shaded? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 are shaded and total are 9. So what you will write? The shaded part. If you ask for the shaded part, you will write 4 upon 9, that is 4 by 9. If you are asked about unshaded part, then what you will write? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 by 9. So whatever the thing you have been asked, the shaded part or the unshaded part, the thing which has been asked, you will write it above, and the total number you will mention it below. So this is how you will do the shaded parts. Write the fraction for the shaded part. This is these 5 examples. Diagrams you have been given. Just go through it, each diagram, and then solve it. Now coming on to the second question, circle the proper fraction. As in the last video I told you about proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. Proper fraction are those whose numerator is less than denominator. जिनका डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से बड़ा हो, न्यूमरेटर छोटा हो और डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो, उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो चेक जिनका आपको लगे कि प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, यू हैव टू सर्कल आउट. लाइक फर्स्ट 1/6. तो 6 इज here we can see that 6 is bigger than 1. So numerator is less than denominator. So this is proper fraction. And now you check others and do it, circle it out. In your rough copies, I will provide you the answers and then you have to check it out. Now moving on to circle the improper fraction. Now what will be the improper fraction? Improper fraction are those whose denominator are greater than numerator are greater than denominator. जिनका न्यूमरेटर मतलब ऊपर वाला जो नंबर है वो बड़ा है नीचे वाले नंबर से, मतलब न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर से. तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन 5/3. 5 बड़ा है, न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है और डिनोमिनेटर 3 है, तो 3 छोटा है. सो व्हाट इज़ द आंसर? दिस इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. नाउ यू हैव टू चेक ईच फ्रैक्शन एंड देन सर्कल आउट दोज विच हैव higher numerator and less denominator, where the value of the above digit is more than the lower digit. So you have to circle it out. Now moving on to the fourth question, circle the mixed numbers. Mixed numbers, what are the mixed numbers? Where their 3 digits are given to you. It is 1 2/5. Where 1 is written on the front of the middle line, that is 2 upon की जो लाइन होती है उसके सामने जो डिजिट लिखा हुआ होता है, अगर वैसा डिजिट लिखा हुआ है तो the number is a mixed number. So 1 2/5 is a mixed number. Now identify the numbers in the given questions and write it down properly. Now as I have given you some questions in our previous videos, so let's give you the solution. I gave you some fractions to write. They were, write the fraction 9/10. How will you write 9/10? That is 9 upon 10. 5/8, that is 5 upon 8. 1/3, that is 1 by 3. 2/3, that is 2 by 3. 4/7, that is 4 by 7. Now you were supposed to write the names. You were given the digits. Now you were supposed to write the names. So 1 by 4th, how you will write? You can see 1 by 4th, 4 by 7th, 3 by 8th, 3/5, 6/10. These were the questions which I gave you to solve. Here are the solution. Just go through it. See whether you have written them correct or not. Just check it, beta.